Russia is known for its remarkable military capabilities, especially in aircraft engineering. The Sukhoi S-70 is one of Russia's most technologically advanced aircraft. This video will explain the Sukhoi S-70. History, technical features, and stealth capabilities. It also discusses its prospects. The Sukhoi S-70 was created to replace an aging fleet of Soviet-era fighters. Russia's military leadership realized that its air force needed a fighter capable of competing with the most recent Western aircraft. In the early 2000s, this task was given to the Sukhoi Design Bureau, which has a long history of producing advanced fighters. The design and development of the Sukhoi S-70 started in the 2000s. Many technical features make the aircraft a formidable fighter in the skies. These are the main technical features of the S-70. Engine. The S-70 engine is powered by two Saturn L41F1 turbofan engines. Each can produce a thrust of up to 32,000 pounds. These engines are highly reliable and efficient, with a long life expectancy. Avionics. The S-70 has a high-tech avionics suite with powerful radar and electronic warfare systems. It also features advanced communications systems. The radar system can detect targets up to 400 kilometers away. Electronic warfare systems are used to disrupt and jam enemy communications. Weapons systems. Sukhoi S-70 is a highly advanced fighter aircraft designed for air-to-air battles. It's equipped with advanced weapon systems and impressive maneuverability, making it a formidable fighter aircraft. The S-70 can be armed with several air-to-air missiles, including the R-73 or R-77. Both are highly maneuverable and can travel up to 300 kilometers. The S-70 also has a powerful 30mm cannon that can be used to engage in close-range combat. Stealth features. Sukhoi S-70, a fifth-generation fighter plane, is designed to be stealthy. It is designed to reduce its radar signature so that it is difficult to be detected by enemy radar systems. The shape of the S-70 makes it stealthy. It has an unusual design, which incorporates curves and angles to reduce radar cross-section to reduce radar energy reflected from the source. The edges of the aircraft have been carefully shaped. The Sukhoi S-70's unique shape is not the only thing that makes it special. It also has advanced radar-absorbing coatings and materials. These coatings and materials absorb radar waves and deflect them, which reduces the aircraft's radar signature. Other stealth technologies are also available on the S-70. Heat-seeking missiles will find it difficult to lock onto the aircraft's engines because they are designed to reduce their heat signature. They are shielded to reduce electromagnetic emissions from the aircraft's weapons and avionics systems. This could allow them to hide their position. Maneuverability. The S-70's advanced flight controls and thrust-vectoring engine allow it to perform tight turns and other complicated maneuvers. It is highly efficient in dogfighting situations where agility and speed are critical. Purpose for Sukhoi S-70. Although the Sukhoi S-70 was only introduced to service in 2020, it is still a relatively young aircraft. It has shown tremendous potential and attracted significant interest from potential buyers all over the globe. The Sukhoi S-70 will likely remain a central part of Russia's future military strategy. Although the aircraft is being manufactured in limited quantities, there are plans for increased production. The S-70 will be deployed in more countries as it becomes increasingly popular. As such, the aircraft's capabilities are likely to improve. Thanks for watching.